Hi, I'm Jim with Blindster.com, and I'd like to demonstrate our cordless day-night single cellular shade and show you why this shade might be a great choice for you. So with most fabric shades, you can choose between a light filtering fabric or a blackout fabric. Light filtering fabrics give you privacy when closed, but still allow light to softly pass through the shade. Blackout fabrics, on the other hand, don't allow any light through the shade and are great for really darkening a room. But there may be situations where you want the diffused light of a light filtering shade for part of the time and the room darkening of a blackout shade at other times. A bedroom is a great example where you need complete light blocking when it's time to sleep. That's of course where our cordless day-night cellular shade comes in. This is literally two shades in one with sections of both light filtering and blackout fabric that can each extend the full length of the window or be positioned anywhere in between. It's like a dimmer switch for your window. You can position the light filtering fabric down fully during the day, or even raise the shade partly to let in some direct light. You can then switch to the blackout fabric fully, raise the shade completely, or have any combination in between. You'll see these shades have no external cords, so they are safe for kids and pets and are easy to operate. And since it's a cellular shade, you also get improved year-round insulation in your window. Whether it's the cold of winter or the heat of summer, this shade helps maintain your inside air temperature and lower your energy bills. One other thing to note is that our day-night shades are the same color on both the front of the shade and the back of the shade. These shades do cost a bit more than a shade with just one fabric type, but if you've ever wished you could have different opacity shades for different times of the day, then our cordless day-night cellular shades will be well worth it. If you have any questions about this or any of our other products, reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you get the best shade for your needs.
At Blindster, we don't just want customers today, we want customers for life.